Hello and happy 2021 to my AVL and to my distance learners right now. I'm so glad to be back with you guys. Thank you for your patience last week. I'm sorry I couldn't record any videos to help you with the assignment. Actually, let me go ahead and do that first. I did want to make sure on the assignment on 1/8, guys, the assignment on 1/8, since I couldn't record a video, please understand on this assignment, you're actually supposed to have 2 separate logs. I know I only attached one, but when you open the log and go to File and make a copy, it gives you a second log. You were supposed to, on Friday, go ahead and put together how you plan to use your time this week. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, starting today. And you were supposed to tell me when you have practice, you're supposed to tell me when you're gonna study, when you're gonna watch TV, etc. On the second log, what you're going to do is actually track how you actually use your time. So when you open the log for this week, you should have one log completely filled out that tells me what you're going to do this week and what you're going to do when. Your second log, you can only fill out Monday today on Monday. So on my clock, it says 4 o'clock. So from 4 to 5 o'clock on your other log, if you said you were going to study, but you ended up taking a nap, then you need to put took a nap. If you end up watching the football game tonight, the national championship, you need to put that on there. It's not that we're trying to make you do it different. We're trying to see the difference between how you planned to use your time and how you actually use your time, okay? So I did want to explain that real quick. Now let me go ahead and go to today's assignment. All right, guys, so we're going to be looking at a website today. For those of you who have been AVL and are new to Avid, on Tuesdays and Thursdays in class, we do have tutorials. So you guys cannot participate in tutorials, but 1 day per week, you will be turning in a TRF as your assignment. Today is not that day. So the other day, Thursday, while my face-to-face students are actually having in-class small group tutorials, you're going to work on another assignment for me. That's pretty much how it was last semester, but I just want to make sure that you do understand this semester you will have a designated day once per week that you will complete a TRF. All right, if you are a junior or a senior, well, everybody, all of you, freshmen, sophomores, juniors, and seniors, are going to be looking at this website called Tuition Funding Sources. It's a website that helps you look for scholarships to help you pay for college. So my seniors, this is very important because you actually are going to be using this to look for scholarships that you can apply to right now. My juniors, you're going to use this because you're just a few short months away to needing to look at scholarships. So first, I'm talking to my juniors and my seniors. So you're going to click on Scholarship Search, which is up top. And guys, there are other pieces of information here, but we're going to look at this. You're going to notice over here to the side, guys, it has a scholarship of the day. So notice the 11th, the 10th, the 9th. So look, tall student scholarships. That's interesting. It's $1,000, but man, hospitality, that's for people who want to work in sometimes like the hotel management, meteorology scholarship. Interesting. I did have one student a few years ago who wanted to be a meteorologist. But for my juniors and my seniors, you're going to register and create a profile, select and save scholarships to your personal scholarship list, and then start applying for scholarships. Now, my seniors, you should be able to start applying for the scholarships now. I would like you to send to me 5 scholarships that you plan to apply to. Yes, I know that's a lot, but man, the more free money we can get you, the better. Juniors, you may not be able to apply for the scholarships yet, because it may have conditions like must be a high school senior. But these are scholarships that you want to keep on your list because next year, they normally are available the next year. You want to know which scholarships to come back to. So you're going to send me a list of 5 scholarships you saved. All right. So seniors and juniors, register and create a profile, select and save scholarships to your personal scholarship list. Juniors, you may save 20. I only want you to send me at least 5. And seniors, you're going to start applying for scholarships. I want you to send me 5 scholarships that you plan on applying to. Doesn't mean you've already applied. It's okay if you haven't because you're just getting this. But what are the best 5 of the list you saved? All right. If you have questions about that, let me know. Now, going back to the main page for my sophomores and my freshmen, we are going to use this page again later. But what I want you to do is you're going to click up here on careers. Now, the first thing there's 2 things that you can do actually under the career information. And honestly, juniors and seniors, definitely pay attention to this if you're a little bit lost of what you want to do. This first part is actually helps you learn more about a specific career. So maybe somebody told you about something. Oh, well, I heard about this, or I've heard about an accountant, Mrs. Tucker, but I just don't know what they do. If you click on that and scroll down, it tells you all about being an accountant, the significant points, nature of the work, tells you about working conditions, employment, important qualities, education requirements, if you need any license or certificates. So if you're a freshman or a sophomore, I'm going to ask you to pick one job out of, but look at all of these. Ooh. I'm going to ask you to pick one job, and then once you click on it, so desktop publisher, you are going to send me 5 facts about the job that you found in this list. 5 facts about this job that you found out about this. I would suggest you find a job that you might actually be interested in. So for example, if you don't like dentistry, working in people's mouths, I definitely would not pick a dental hygienist because this is going to work in somebody's mouth. Now, yes, guys, you might have to click on a couple of things to be like, well, I don't even know what that is. I don't even know what that is. But there's no way you can click on all these. But guys, man, look at all of this. This is something you can use on your own time. Now, what I do want you to do, freshmen and sophomores, so you're going to send me 5 facts about one job. Then you're going to take this career aptitude test. Again, juniors and seniors, if you're not sure what you want to do with the rest of your life, this is also good for you. A career aptitude test, basically, it's like taking a test and ask you questions, and it lets you know what you would be good, what kind of jobs you would be good at. So you're going to start your career assessment test. It's going to ask you questions like, I would like to, and then you check the things, then you keep on going. Then it says go to skills, you click on skills, select all the options, and then at the very end, it's going to give you information. You are going to send me what career it says that you would be best at doing, okay? All right, guys, good luck. Let me know if I can do anything to help you out. Y'all are going to be fabulous as usual. All right, see you later. Bye.